Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to add a new primary wallet to BullX NEO. So first thing you're going to need to do is just visit their official website and then log into your account if needed. Or if you don't have an account, you can make one. And once you're in, you will see all these options, icon at the left side. So you just have to tap on that wallet looking icon. It's called the wallet manager. So just tap on that. Now, once you tap on that, you will see all these wallets in here in your account. And since we're going to add a new primary wallet, we're just going to tap on that plus or new and then plus sign at the top. And then just go ahead and tap on wallet since we're going to add wallet. So just tap on that. And as you can see in here, the third wallet, it's added because this is the new primary wallet. So to make it primary, we're just going to tap on the three dots at the right corner and then just tap on make primary. And that's basically it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!